Okay, notice the yak design. Camera pans right. Design you see over here is a mandala. Okay, look, all the characters are anthropomorphic, which means they all have human tendencies and behavior. That means in human world we are not used to see people naked and get a surprise reaction, but animals have fur coating on them. Nick is just pulling Judah's leg. Camera pushes in, give us the illusion of shock. Now the scene open and here's everybody's naked. We see animals in their natural habitat and their natural animal behavior. Surprise reaction over here and the reaction change, and Judah moves in for getting a clue. Notice bouncing ball animation over here. Notice artist drawing for a single pose. Notice giraffe study how he bends to drink water. References are always taken from the real world. Camera pans over here. Judah is making discomfort expression. You can see elephant doing yoga. See the tattoos on an elephant. See the design for an elephant. Nangi is in the conversation with Yak. Here we see Nangi didn't remember anything about Otter. Judah tilted her head towards the Yak. He's getting information from a Yak. Judah remembers it to note it down. He gets into a car and Judah noticed that Yak is talking from an observational memory. Judah gets that and asks for a license plate number. Judah gets a clue. We see a Otis shot. Nick noobs his head. Nice character. Yak remember everything and gives credit to the elephant. See the design for the mystical spring oasis. Nick tighten her tie and ask for a pen so he can be free. She can't run a plate. She is not a system yet, as she is new and tries to get more tasks done by Nick. Nick gets frustrated. Nick is being fox over here. Takes her to DMP. Judah gets into a DMV. Okay, Judah is now in a hurry and gets another shock and notice that they all are sloths, and sloths are the slowest animal. They didn't hurry at all. Okay, now here you are seeing the timing comedy, slowing thing out in a great play. Notice there are a way of slowing things out. If you want to achieve slow motion in a keyframes, you will stretch the frames out, which will lead to slow your animation and gives you the impact of slow motion. Web pan over here. Notice how timing can be converted into comic. Now I wanted to talk about the software ZBrush, which helps each modeler to achieve the artistic touch very easily. Nice sequence over here. Nick is again pulling Judah's leg. See some storyboard panel over here. See the design for the Flash. Great reference for a mouth animation. Judah is in a hurry and Flash is a sloth. See some storyboard panel. Nick distracted Flash. It's taking huge amount of time of Judah, and there is the information which Judah needs.